Hi all, welcome to ES Technologies. Today we will be learning about arrays in JavaScript. What is an array? Array is a collection of similar data items. Array is a collection of homogeneous items. Homogeneous items and similar data items. See the syntax. Where data is equal to new array. Where and variable data is a variable name. Where variable name is equal to new array. New array you have to write like this only. Capital A you have to write for array, where variable name is equal to new array. This is example where data is equal to new array. So array index ఎక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది మనకి? Array index will start from 0. See here, normally in C language how we will write? Integer a of 10. Array we will declare in this way. Array index will start from 0. A of 0 is equal to 10. A of 1 is equal to 20, and so on we will declare till A of 9. This is in normal programming languages. Sorry, this will be 100. So this is the normal programming language, but in JavaScript ఇది integer a of 10 ఇట్లా డిక్లేర్ చేయకుండా మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే లైక్ వేరియబుల్, నార్మల్లీ we will declare it as variable a is equal to new array. Variable a is equal to new array. దట్ మీన్స్ ఏ విల్ బికమ్ ద అరే వేరియబుల్. సైజ్ మనం ఇక్కడ డిక్లేర్ చేయము. మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్లో ఏదైతే యూజ్ చేస్తామో ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తున్నప్పుడు మనం ఎంత రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉంటే అన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. లైక్ ఏ ఆఫ్ 0, ఏ ఆఫ్ 1, ఏ ఆఫ్ 2 మనకి ఎన్ని ఒకవేళ 5 ఎలిమెంట్స్ కావాలి అనుకుంటే 5 వి విల్ యూజ్. 10 కావాలి అనుకుంటే 10 యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్. బట్ అరే ఇండెక్స్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 0. దిస్ ఈజ్ నార్మల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ డిక్లరేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ అరే. నార్మల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఇది యూజ్ చేస్తాం, ఇది జావాస్క్రిప్ట్లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సీ ద సింటాక్స్ హియర్. వేరియబుల్ where variable name is equal to new array. This is declaration. So next, accessing the array elements access చేయాలంటే that variable name in square brackets index is equal to value. Example, see here, data of 0 is equal to 10, data of 1 is equal to 20. అంటే a of 0 is equal to 10, a of 1 is equal to 20. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏ అని డిక్లేర్ చేస్తే ఏ, ఇక్కడ నేను డేటా అని డిక్లేర్ చేశాను కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డేటా ఆఫ్ 0 is equal to 10, data of 1 is equal to 20. We will see the example program for arrays. See, this is the program for arrays. See, HTML head title. After closing the head, we will start body tag. Body tag లో మనం స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తాం. స్క్రిప్ట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ is equal to JavaScript. Here we are including arrays where data is equal to new array. What is the variable name? Data. Data is the variable name. Then one more variable I is there. Data is the array variable, I is the normal variable. So data of 0 is equal to 10, data of 1 is equal to 20, data of 3 is 30, data of 4 is 40, data of 4 is 50. So 5 elements we are declaring in array. So 5 elements value assign chesam. Then for I is equal to 0, for loop we are using to print the array elements. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus 0 నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే less than 5. Document dot write ln, the element is data of I. For first iteration, data of 0 value will be printed. The element is 10. Next, for second iteration, for I is equal to 1, the element is 20. For third iteration, the element is 30. Next, the element is 40. Next, the element is 50. This is the output printed for array. Then close the script, close the body, close the HTML. This is how we use arrays in JavaScript. In JavaScript. Next we will see string object. String object is a group of string functions. So string functions అన్ని కూడా మనకి string object లో స్టోర్ అయి ఉంటాయి. In JavaScript we are having string object. In that string object we will have various string functions. Like in C language, string.h will contain all string functions. strlen, strrev, like this all string functions are stored in string.h header file. Similarly, in JavaScript, all the string functions are stored in string object. The various functions of string object are, first one is to lowercase. What this to lowercase will do is, it will convert the text to lowercase. See here the example, variable name is equal to web. Name1 is equal to web. In name1 we are having web in capital letters. Document.writeln name1 dot to lowercase. Name1 dot to lowercase. What this statement will do is, it will print the data in name1 in lowercase. So name1 లో ఏదైతే డేటా ఉందో ఆ డేటా మనది లోవర్ కేస్ లో డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. Similarly, uppercase to uppercase. What to uppercase will do? It will convert the data to uppercase and print the output. See, where name1 is equal to web, document.writeln name1 dot to uppercase. To uppercase will print the output in uppercase. Name1 dot to uppercase, bracket open close. That means to uppercase is a function. Next, concat. Concat is another function. What concat will do is, it will join the two strings. See, name1 లో web అనేది ఉంది, where name2 is equal to technology. So name1 లో web అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది, name2 లో technology అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది. We are printing document.writeln means print. What we are printing? Name1 dot concat of name2. Name1 dot concat of name2. That means we are joining these two strings and printing. So output will be web technology. Next one is caret. Caret function. What caret function will do is, see, where name1 is equal to technology. In name1 technology is there. Document.writeln name1 dot caret3. At third position, what is the character? Caret3. At third position, what is the character? 0, 1, 2, 3. See, T is at 0 position, E is at first position, C is at second position, 3 is at హెచ్ ఈజ్ ఎట్ థర్డ్ పొజిషన్. అరే ఇండెక్స్ 0 నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి థర్డ్ ఇండెక్స్ లో ఏముంది? హెచ్ అనే క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంది. సో అవుట్పుట్ విల్ బి హెచ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ char code et. Char code et. See, where name1 is equal to capital, document.writeln name1 dot char code et 1. That means first index. This is 0th index, first index. Small a is there at for index number 1. So small a is there at index number 1. So we are printing char code et. That means internally, what is the code for small a? Internally, the ASCII value for small a is 97. So output will be 97. Internally, what is the code for small a? Char code at 1. First location లో 1 అనే క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంది, a అనే క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంది. సో a కి ASCII value is 97. So the output will be 97. Next one is from char code. From char code. So document.writeln string dot from char code of 97. అంటే 97 ASCII value కి code ఎంత? So ASCII value for 97, we know it is a. So the output will be a. Next one is substring. SUBSTR. See, next one is substring. Substring లో name1 is equal to technology. Name1 is equal to technology is there. So document.writeln substring from second index we are starting. So what is there at second index? See here, T is there at 0th location, E is at first location, C is at second location. So second array index 2 నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. array index 2 లో ఏముంది? C అనే క్యారెక్టర్. C నుండి 3 characters continuously. So CHN will be printed. Substring CHN from second index continue for 3 characters. So CHN will be the output. That is substring. Next function is substring. SUBSTR అయింది substring. ఇంతకుముందు SUBSTR. Now we will see SUBSTR అయింది substring. So ఈ రెండిటికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే, see here, substring what it will do is name1 dot substring of 0 to 3. That means 0, you start at 0th index, stop at 3rd index. So 0th index ఏంటి? 0, 1, 2, 3. So start from 0th index, stop at 3rd index. So TCH will be the output. Previously SUB str, what it will do? Start at 0th index, continue for 3 characters. ఒకవేళ SUB str యూజ్ చేస్తే అవుట్పుట్ will be 0,3. SUB str of 0,3. What is the output for this is TEC. Only 3 characters. But here we are starting from 0th index, stop at 3rd index. Here 3 characters. That is the difference between SUB str and SUB string. Next we will see the program for arrays. Here HTML, head, title, close the head part. In body part we will start the script language is equal to javascript, where name1 is name1 name2. name1 లో web అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది, name2 లో టెక్నాలజీ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది. document dot write ln name1 dot to lower case. సో name1 అనేది లోవర్ కేస్ లో డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది, దట్ ఈస్ వెబ్. name1 dot to upper case, that will be displayed in capital letters. name1 dot this is small letters web, this is capital letters web. Concat, name1 dot concat, so web technology. Then next one char at 2, name1 dot char at 2. What is the char at 2? 0 1 2 small b. Char code at 1, at first location what is the character w, w కి ఏదైతే internally code ఉందో that will come. Suppose say 101, 97 we know a. name2 dot substring substr, start from name2 అంటే technology. Substring what it will do is it will start from 0 t, it will take 3 characters tec. Substring start from 0, stop at 4th index, so tech. So this is the program for string object. Next we will see math object. Next is the math object. Math object also it will have mathematical functions. First one is min. So math dot capital M you have to write, math dot min of 2, 5, output will be 2. Next one is max function. Math document dot write ln math dot max of 2, 5, output will be, maximum of these two numbers is 5, so output will be 5. ABS, absolute value. Absolute value will return always positive value. ABS of -3 will be 3. ABS of 3 will be 3 only. Positive number it will return. Next one is ceil function. What does the ceil function will do is it will round to the upper value. So 1.234 if it is there, it will round to the next integer value. 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి next integer value will be 2. ఒకవేళ 2.345 ఉంటే the ceil value will be 3. The floor value will be, for this floor value will be 2. For this floor value will be 1. This will round to the nearest back side. It will go in the backward direction, this will go in this direction. Ceil will go in the upward direction, floor will go in the backward direction. So ceil of 1.234 will be 2. Floor of 1.234 will be 1. Next one is pow function. Pow function will return the power. Math.pow 2 power 3 will be 8 will be the output. Round function, it will round the value. 1.3 rounding will be 1. SQRT function, it will return the square root. Square root of 100 is, output is 10. Next function is sine function, it will return the sine value. Sine 90 is 1. Cos, it will return the cos value. Tan will return the tan value. Next we will see the program. See, document.write ln math.min of 2, 5 will be 2. Max of 2, 5 will be 5. ABS of -3 will be 3. Ceil of 1.234 is 2. Floor of 1.2 is 1. Pow will be 8. Round will be 1. SQRT of 100 is 10. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Tan 90 is 1. So these are the various functions of math object. Thank you all of you.